Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to find and replace in Google Docs. So to find and replace, shortcut key Control F. Now here you will see this one, find in document. I need to type some text so I can show you properly. I will enter the text randomly like this. Now firstly format. So select format and click on clear formatting. I'll make some big size. Okay, now you can find easily. So like you want to find something, so just type here. So here you will see this green highlighted which you find here. To replace, click on this three dot and type replace with you text. Like I want to replace with this text. ST. You can replace at all or you can replace one by one. So this way guys you can use find and replace in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.